Sophia, wake up, sweetheart, it's morning.
Mom.
Good morning, Sophia. Today is a very special day.
Oh, today is my first day at school.
That's right. You were talking about it all week.
Mom, I'm happy, but I'm also a little scared.
That's completely normal. Many children feel nervous on their first day.
What if nobody talks to me?
You are kind and friendly. I'm sure you will make friends very quickly.
Do you really think so?
Of course I do.
Okay, I will try my best.
That's my brave girl. Now come on, we need to get ready.
Okay, Mommy.
Look what I brought for you.
My school uniform, it looks so nice.
You are going to look wonderful in this.
Thank you, Mom. I really like this uniform too.
I'm so glad.
It's perfect.
Wow, look at you! You already look like a real school student.
Do I really look ready for school, Dad?
You absolutely do. You are growing up so fast.
You look very beautiful in your uniform, Sophia.
I still feel a little nervous inside.
That feeling is completely normal. Many children feel nervous on their first school day.
All right, let's go have breakfast before we leave the house.
Okay, Mom.
Make sure you eat everything, Sophia. You will need lots of energy for your big day.
I'm trying, Mom, but I feel too nervous to eat much.
That nervous feeling will slowly go away once you reach school.
I hope so. I really want to enjoy my first day at school.
You will, sweetie.
Are you ready for your big school day?
I think so, but my heart is beating very fast.
Don't worry too much, Sophia.
Today is the beginning of a wonderful new experience.
All right, let's head to school before the traffic gets busy.
Okay, let's go.
What's going on in that busy little mind right now?
I'm thinking about what school will be like. Will I make any new friends today?
I'm sure you will find some nice friends at school. What if nobody talks to me first? Sometimes you only need one small conversation to make a new friend. Maybe, but I still feel nervous.
That feeling will slowly disappear once you enter the classroom.
I really hope my teacher is kind and friendly.
I'm sure your teacher will help you feel comfortable.
What if I don't understand something in class?
Then you can ask questions. Teachers are there to help students learn.
Dad, were you scared on your first school day too?
Oh yes, I remember feeling very shy on my first day.
Really? That's hard to imagine now.
I wasn't always this confident.
Everyone starts somewhere, Sophia. I think I'm feeling a little better now. After school, you can tell us everything about your day.
I think I will have a lot of interesting stories to tell. Dad, are we getting close to the school now?
Yes, we are almost there. We'll arrive in a few minutes.
Wow, the school looks much bigger than I imagined.
It looks big now, but you will get used to it very quickly.
I think I'm feeling nervous again.
That's completely normal before entering somewhere new.
What if I can't find my classroom?
Don't worry. Your teacher will help you find the classroom.
We should take a photo of you to remember this special day.
Really?
Of course, it's your very first school day.
All right, ready, everyone?
Ready.
Okay, smile. That photo came out really nicely.
Yes, we should print that picture someday.
All right, Sophia, It's almost time to meet your teacher. Ready to go now?
Yes, I think I'm ready.
Okay, let's go. Good morning. You must be Sophia.
Good morning, teacher.
Yes, this is Sophia's first day at school. We're very happy to welcome Sophia today.
Thank you, teacher. I still feel a little nervous.
That's completely normal on the first day of school. I hope Sophia will feel comfortable with the other students. I promise to help her settle into the class smoothly.
Thank you.
All right, everyone, we have a new friend joining our class today. This is Sophia, and today is her very first day at school.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sophia.
Hello, Sophia. Welcome to our class.
Sophia was feeling a little nervous this morning, so let's all make her feel welcome.
Hi, Sophia. I really like your backpack. The red color looks very nice. I really like your ribbon, too. It looks very pretty with your uniform. Thank you very much. You are all very nice to me.
Would you like to tell the class something about yourself, Sophia?
I like drawing pictures and reading storybooks. Really? I love drawing pictures too. It's one of my favorite things to do.
I think you are already finding things in common with your classmates.
I think so too. Everyone already seems very friendly.
All right, everyone, let's help Sophia feel comfortable on her first day.
Sophia, you can sit in the empty seat beside Olivia.
Hi, Sophia. You can sit next to me.
Don't worry. Everyone here is very friendly. I'm starting to feel much better now.
All right, everyone, let's begin our first English lesson for today. Today, we are going to practice introducing ourselves in English.
That sounds fun.
Good. I want everyone to speak clearly and confidently. Can everyone read this sentence together?
Hello, my name is...
Very good. Now let's try introducing ourselves one by one. Olivia, would you like to go first?
Hello, my name is Olivia, and I like drawing colorful pictures.
Excellent job, Olivia. Now let's hear from someone else.
Hello, my name is Daniel, and I like playing football.
Very good speaking, Daniel. Sophia, would you like to try next?
You can do it. Hello, my name is Sophia, and I like reading storybooks and drawing pictures.
Wonderful job, Sophia. You spoke very clearly. All right, everyone, our English lesson has now come to an end. You all did a wonderful job during the lesson today.
Thank you, teacher! We really enjoyed the English lesson today.
All right, everyone, please stay in your seats and get ready for the next class.
You did really well during the English lesson, Sophia. Really? I thought I sounded nervous when I was speaking. Not at all. You spoke very clearly in front of everyone. Thank you. I'm really happy that my first class went well.
Good morning, everyone. My name is David, and I will be your maths teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
I hope you all enjoyed your English lesson this morning.
Yes, teacher. We really enjoyed the English lesson very much.
That's wonderful to hear. And I see we have a new student with us today. You must be Sophia.
Yes, teacher. I am Sophia. Everyone here has helped me feel welcome already.
That's excellent. We always help new students feel welcome here. All right, everyone, let's get ready for our maths lesson now. Today, we are going to practice simple addition and subtraction together.
Maths is fun for me because I enjoy solving problems.
That's good. Let's begin with a simple question first.
Who would like to answer this question?
The answer is 8, teacher.
Excellent job. That is correct.
Can someone answer this one too?
The answer is 6, teacher.
Very good, Olivia. You solved that subtraction question correctly.
I think I know these questions too. You should answer the next question. Maybe I will.
All right, everyone, let's try another addition question together. What is 6 plus 7?
I think the answer is 13, teacher.
Excellent job, Sophia. That is absolutely correct. All right, everyone, that brings us to the end of today's maths lesson.
Thank you, teacher. We had a really good time today.
I'm happy all of you enjoyed the lessons today. You all worked very well as a class.
All right, everyone, school is now over for the day, so you may pack your things and get ready to leave.
I'm really happy I came to this school. I'm happy too, because now I have a new friend. I'm really glad we met today. Me too. We should sit together again tomorrow. Yes, and maybe we can eat lunch together too. That sounds like a great idea. I think my parents are waiting for me now. See you tomorrow morning, Olivia. See you tomorrow. Have a safe trip home.
Today, Sophia learned that trying something new can become much easier after taking the first step.
School is not only about learning different subjects.
It is also about learning how to be kind, brave, and confident.
Thank you for watching until the end.
Subscribe to English Story Cottage for more helpful English stories.
Bye. See you in the next story.